Welcome back. In a landmark verdict that can come as a relief to many death row convicts, the Supreme Court on Tuesday held the death sentence of a condemned prisoner can be commuted to life imprisonment on the ground of delay on the part of the government in deciding the mercy plea. The apex court also ruled that a death convict suffering from mental insanity cannot be hanged. 145th birth anniversary celebrations of Venerable Padre Ragnell was held with pomp and gaiety at the St. John Chapel, Anjuna, Goa on Tuesday. Padre Ragnell was a saintly priest who was born in the village of Anjuna and was well known as a preacher attached to Pilar Fathers. Goans pray for the sainthood of the devout priest.
आयज आमकां व्हडलो खुशालकायेचो दीस आमचो गांवचो पूत आनिवोज पाद आग्नेल डिसोजा ताचो जल्माचो दीस जावन आसा. आज 145 वर्सां भरतात ताच्या जल्माच्या दिसाक. 9 दीस आमी नव्यान करून किरीत भाशेन हो दीस आमी पाळूंक भक्तीपणी पाळूंक आमी आयज हांगासर जमल्या. आमकां खुशालकाय भोगता आयच्या दिसाक हे जल्माच्या दिसाक हांगासर येवंक ताच्या जिविताची देख घेवंक आमी वावुरतल्या अशें आमकां सगळ्यांक दिसता. ताचें शेगुणें जिवीत आमकां एक नामणें जिवीत जें आमकां सगळ्यांक मानता. तेच भाशेन ताच्या जिवितांत आमी खुशाल जावंक जायतो लोक ताच्या लागीं मागून हजारांनी लोक आपले फेवर्स ऑर निड्स तांकां मेळटात. कित्याक भावार्थान ती मागतात आनी भावार्थान मागलेल्या मनशांक सगळें मेळटा.
Matching the achievement of the table tennis team, Goa-India spikers won both gold medals in Lusofonia Games volleyball competition on Tuesday. The host beat Mozambique in the women's match, while the Goa-India men defeated Macau to clinch the 4th gold medal of the games for the hosts.
I would also like to thank God for helping us to play well, because all the players really played well, say the blocking line, say the attacking or the defense. They really did a good job.
Meanwhile, the Miramar beach will be the hub of beach volleyball action over the next 5 days. Portugal will be the favourites to win the title in the 25-team field. The beach volleyball legacy of Lusofonia Games can also see Goa become a permanent destination of World Challengers competition, according to Beach Volleyball Council of India Chairman Arvind Soares. Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching